My fellow Singaporeans, when I was invited to enter politics in 2011, I agreed because I wanted to contribute to the Singapore story. I did not expect then to be asked to serve as the next Prime Minister of Singapore. I accept this responsibility with humility and a deep sense of duty. I pledge to give my all in this undertaking. Every ounce of my energy shall be devoted to the service of our country and our people. Your dreams will inspire my actions. Your concerns will guide my decisions. I ask each of you to join me in this journey. Share your ideas, share your passions and dreams. Work with me and my team. Together, we can build a future that shines brightly for all Singaporeans. I seek your trust, your support, and your continued faith in our shared vision. As one united people, regardless of race, language, or religion, we will build a democratic society based on justice and equality. Let us move forward as one Team Singapore and write the next chapter of our Singapore story together.